Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Carson Cloud. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 10 without losing your personal data, your files, your pictures, everything related to your data. So if you have your computer is crashing and it's not booting up and you want to reset it so it's going to start fresh. So what you need to do is click on the Windows icon here and then go to settings, and under settings you want to go to updates and security. So you need to go into recovery. Under recovery there's two options here. There's a reset this PC and there's advanced startup. It's allow you to reboot your computer and boot to a CD or USB drive. So in this video we're going to do a reset this PC. So if I have let's go to my document. Let's create a file. Let's call it here, my data. Click on save. I'm going to click on get started. Here's the options. You have two options. One is to keep my files. So this will keep your files. It will reset the PC and it will also keep your files. Remove everything. This will remove all the programs and your personal files. So we're going to go with keep my files. Your apps will be removed. So it's just telling me that these apps will be removed. I have Google Chrome and Microsoft OneDrive installed. I'm going to click next and also the Visual C++. It just say here, ready to reset this PC. Reset will remove all programs, apps and programs, and will change the setting back to the defaults. And it will reinstall Windows without removing your personal files. This will take a while and PC will restart. So what you need to do is click on reset. And that's it. The PC will be restart. It's going to reinstall Windows and it's going to restore your personal files and folder. Thank you for watching and have a great day.